Looking for a budget-friendly powerhouse bundle that delivers rock-solid performance for a custom PC build without draining your bank account? Today we are taking a close look at the Micro Center AMD Ryzen 5 and ASUS TUF Gaming A520M-Plus Wi-Fi motherboard bundle. A fantastic value pairing designed to kickstart an efficient gaming or everyday productivity rig. Let us be honest, piecing together entry-level hardware part by part can get expensive and tedious. This combo cuts right through that hassle by matching a capable processor with a durable, feature-rich motherboard right out of the box. At the heart of the bundle is the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 desktop processor, featuring 6 cores and 12 processing threads with a max boost clock up to 4.2 GHz. It handles daily multitasking, media streaming, and 1080p gaming smoothly. Best of all, it operates on an efficient 65W power draw and includes a Wraith Stealth cooler in the box, keeping thermal management simple and cost-effective. Anchored to the CPU is the ASUS TUF Gaming A520M-Plus Wi-Fi Micro ATX motherboard. Built with military-grade TUF components, it delivers long-term durability and rock-stable reliability. Key highlights include memory support, dual-channel DDR4 memory support expandable up to 128 GB. Fast storage, onboard M.2 slot, supporting PCIe 3.0x4 for lightning-fast NVMe SSD speeds alongside standard SATA 6 GB/s ports. Connectivity, built-in 802.11ac Wi-Fi and Gigabit Ethernet to keep you connected lag-free, plus a generous array of rear USB ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2. Aesthetics and cooling, comprehensive cooling controls via Fan Expert 2 Plus, and customizable Aura Sync RGB lighting headers to give your build a custom look. If you want to build a reliable, high-value AM4 system for general office work, content creation, or accessible 1080p gaming without overspending, this bundle is an absolute game changer. Click the link below for the best price.